Plastics have become an important part of human life and are used in different sectors of applications such as packaging, building materials, consumer products, etc. Plastics packaging provide excellent protection to the product. It is cheap to manufacture and seems to last forever. However, lasting forever is proving to be a major environmental problem. Another problem is that conventional plastics are made from non-renewable resources such as petroleum, oil, and natural gas. In order to overcome these shortcomings, researchers and engineers have developed biodegradable plastic which is made from renewable resources such as plants. The term biodegradable means a substance which can be broken down into simpler substances by the action of environmental organisms. The plastics, which are derived from corn, wheat, and potato starch, contain molecules which can be readily decomposed by microbes. The biodegradable plastics possess physical and chemical properties which are similar to those of conventional plastics, but they are biodegradable in different environments. As I told, a package is called biodegradable when it consists of renewable resources, can be harvested directly from nature, it completely decomposes with the aid of microorganisms. There are mainly two types of biodegradable plastic. Biodegradable packages, biodegradable plastic and paper and cardboard packages. Biodegradable plastic. Biodegradable plastics are plastics that are capable of being decomposed by bacteria or other living organisms. Advantages of using biodegradable plastic. Biodegradable plastics take less time to break down. Biodegradable packaging takes much less time to break down after being discarded. Biodegradable plastics are renewable. Biodegradable plastics are made from biomass, which is a completely renewable resource. It includes trees, plants, grass, etc., which easily decompose. Biodegradable plastics reduce dependence on foreign oil. The use of biodegradable plastics will decrease the country's dependence on other countries for fossil fuels, providing domestic solution instead. Disadvantages. Toxicity. Biodegradable plastic is not meant to be recycled with other types of plastics. Non-biodegradable plastic can be contaminated if it is mixed with biodegradable plastic. Composting availability. The most efficient way to dispose of biodegradable plastic is by composting. Home composting is still a rarity in urban areas. Engineering. Plastics made from organic sources must be farmed. Corn, soybeans, etc. are mostly used in the production of biodegradable plastic. The plastics require high dose of toxic pesticides that contribute to pollution and may leach the soil. Production process. First of all, polymer and biopolymer material is converted into foils of different sized thickness. Then the foils are printed with eye-catching designs. The printed foils are then cut through different machines according to desired model of package. It also includes shaping of handles, folding, etc. Series of product tests are carried out in the laboratory situated within the factory. Bags which decompose under the influence of sunlight and oxygen over a period of time are prepared. The decomposition process takes about 6 to 24 months. This is the decomposition process. Applications. The biodegradable polymer materials suited for packaging are often used in agricultural products. Young plants which are particularly susceptible to frost may be covered with a thin Ecoflex film. At the end of the season, the film can be removed and it will decompose into soil by microorganisms. Containers such as biodegradable plant pots, disposable composting containers, and bags are areas of interest. Hotels and hospitals are places where maximum waste is generated. This is where biodegradable plastics play its major role. These biomaterials are used in joint replacements, fracture fixation plates, defect fillers, artificial tendons and ligaments, and bone cements. Another application of biodegradable plastics are agricultural mulch, industrial packaging, wrapping, milk sachets, food services, pharmaceuticals, medical devices, recreational, etc. Today, biodegradable plastics are popular as green packaging. In next several years, the market demand for biodegradable packaging materials will continue to grow. All levels of government, particularly in China and Germany, are endorsing the widespread application of biodegradable packaging materials in order to reduce volume of inert materials currently being disposed of in landfills occupying scarce available space. The concept of biodegradable plastics is relatively new in India. This is because of following reasons. Cost. The cost of biodegradable plastic is 2 to 10 times more than that of conventional plastics. Lack of initiatives. There is no definite legal system or framework to acknowledge the disposal problems of conventional plastics, particularly of short-lived flexible packaging products, and biodegradable plastics have still not been identified as a major area for research. Precaution on use of biodegradable plastics. Due to introduction of biodegradable plastics, the overall plastic consumption of the country would increase, and one of the major concerns would be to segregate between non-biodegradable and biodegradable plastics. Hence, there must be proper plastic labeling system. This is the recycling process of biodegradable plastic. Thank you.